Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is episode number 2 of my 4-part series on designing professional and eye-catching design in Canva. If you missed the first episode, make sure to check it out because today I am revealing secret number 2, how to choose professional color combination in Canva. Choosing the right color can make or break your design. Get it right and your content look amazing. Get it wrong and well, it can look pathetic, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you my personal trick to pick the perfect color combination using Canva, even you are not a color expert. So right now I am in Canva and I have added a design just for the example so that I can show you that how exactly it will look after applying the color palette. And let me tell you about the problem with this design. We are not going to talk about the design, just the color palette. Okay, so here you can see the color palette is really bad because of the bad color combination. The contrast and all is really bad. So you can see it's not easy for you to read it. And as a graphic designer, we should always try to add that kind of color palette so that it will grab the attention and it will be easy for our audience to read it. So here you can see it's not easy to read because of the bad color palette and all, and the design is not also looking professional because of the color palette only. So today I will show you how exactly you can do and change the color palette and color combination through Canva. If you're having your brand color, then you can do it through that also obviously, but if you're not having any color combination, you're confused about selecting the color, the best color for your design, and suppose you completed the design but your design is not looking good and you want to try more color in your design, so for that also you can use the same trick. Okay, so before moving forward, let's duplicate this one. So this is the design, this is the duplicated one. So after applying the color palette, I will show you that how exactly it will look and we will compare that one with the before and after. Okay, so to apply the color palette, I'm gonna show you 2 tricks. So let's move into the first one. So you just have to click on designs. Here you are having the templates. So we are not going to use the templates. So on the right side, if you will see here, you are having the style. Okay, so click on styles. So if you will scroll down, you will get to see the color palettes. So just click on see all, and these are the color palettes which are already created by Canva for you so that you can use that in your designs. So if you will scroll, you can see there are a lot of color palettes which are really professional and generated by Canva. Okay, so these color palette you can try in your design. So how to use those? Okay, so first let's select one color palette. So suppose I like this one. Okay, so to apply the color palette, you don't have to do anything. After you select the color palette, you just have to click over here. So after clicking on it, you can see that Canva has already applied the color palette in my design and it's already looking good. So if you're not happy with the color palette, the color combination, you can simply go back again and again click over there. Okay, it will give you different variation of the same color palette. So you can try again and again till that point you are not happy with the same color palette. Okay, suppose I'm happy with it, but I want to see that what type of other color palette will look into my design, how exactly it will look. Okay, so suppose I selected this one, I want to try more. So what I will do, I will duplicate it. So let's duplicate it, then again just select one color palette. So let's select another one, let's select this one for now. So again we will apply. So to apply the color palette, simply just click over here and the color palette will automatically applied by Canva. And anytime you will click, it will again give you different variation and again it will look best because Canva is doing the best color combination and the contrast for you. So you can click again and see the result. Suppose I'm happy with it, but I want to try more, simply duplicate it and just try the different color palette. So suppose let's try the different one. Let's try the green one again. So you can see after applying this also, it's already looking good. So suppose let's try another time, one more time. So suppose I'm happy with this. So after applying the color palette from Canva directly, you can see that how the design is looking right now. If you will compare that one with the before one, so this is the page number 1, which was looking really bad because of the color combination only. We are not talking about the design over here, because in this tutorial I'm showing you the color palette only, the color combination. Because of the color combination, how your design doesn't look good and professional. But after applying this trick, you can see the design is looking really professional. Each of the color is looking really professional, and the contrast and color combination is really good. You can read everything perfectly. It's really easy for your audience to read after applying these type of color palette. Okay, so this was the first trick which you can apply in your design. If you're not happy with the color palette of your design, color combination is not looking good, then you can apply this first trick. Okay, so let's delete the designs and let's duplicate the first one again. So I'm gonna show you the another trick, which is through the app also you can do the same. Okay, but it is little bit different. With the help of AI also you can create the color palette. So for that you can go to apps. In apps you have to search for color palette AI. So after searching for color palette AI, you will get the result, but here you have to select the first one, that is color palette AI. Let's select that one. Once you will select that one, you will be having two options. First one is to generate through AI. Through prompt you can generate the color palette, and next you are having the gallery. So let's try the first one, that is generate. So here you can write your prompt and generate the color palette. So here we are designing for digital marketing agency. So let's write directly digital marketing agency. So I have written digital marketing agency. You can describe more about your brand if you need the color palette. So here you are having the option to select the number of colors, means how many colors you want for your brand. So suppose I don't want more, so let's keep it to 4 or 3 right now. Okay, so let's keep it to 3. So I have added the prompt digital marketing agency, and I want the 3 color in my color palette. So again you have to click on generate palette and wait for some time. It will give you the results. Okay, so as you can see, it has given you the result. So if you're not happy with any color combination, you can again generate like this, and again it will create the color palette for you. You can do it again if you're not happy with the result, but let's for now try one color palette from here. So after getting the color palette, how exactly you are going to apply in your design? So here you are having the option to add as image. Suppose I like this color combination, or let's try this one. Suppose I like this color combination. So what you have to do, you have to click on add as image. The image will come to your page. Next, what you have to do to apply the same color palette in your design, you have to click on these 3 dots and scroll down. Here you are having the option to apply color to page. Just click over there and the same color combination will be applied. Anytime you are not happy with the color combination, you can again do the same, and it will give you the different variation of the same color palette like this. Okay, and you can see every time you are doing it, it is again giving you the best color combination and the contrast. Okay, so the work of this image is done. You can delete that one. Again you can try the different one. Then you have to come over here. Suppose let's try this color combination right now. So click on add as image. It will come to your page. Click on 3 dots, scroll down and apply colors to page. Now you can see it is applying the color. Not happy with the result, go again, apply colors to page. Now it's looking good, right? So by the use of AI also, we generated the color palette for our brand, and we applied the color palette over here. You can see it is already looking good. So let's delete this one, and again we will check this second option, that is gallery. Okay, in the first option we generated from the AI by writing the prompt and selecting the number of color, how many colors you need. You can do that, but on the right side you can see that gallery option is there. So if you will click on that, you can see there are a lot of color palette which is already there. So you can use all of them, whichever you want. So if you will scroll down, there are a lot of color palettes are there. You can see I'm scrolling down and it is not stopping because there are a lot of color palettes. You can use them in your design. Okay, let's scroll down and find one color palette for our design. Suppose I like this color combination, then what you have to do, just click over there. The same will come to your page. Then just click on three dots and here you will be having the option to apply colors to page. Okay, you can see after applying the same, the color combination is really looking good. You can do again to see the different variation of the same color palette like this. Okay, the work of this image is done, just delete that one. So you can see after applying the same color palette, it is looking good. You can again duplicate and try the different color palettes. So let's try different one. Let's try this one and we can see that how exactly it will look. So click on three dots, scroll down and apply color to page. Not happy with it, again do the same and see the different variation. Again you can see the different variation like this. I think this is looking good. So by the use of gallery also you can apply the color palette, and after applying the color palette you can see how the designs are looking. So that was the importance of color palette in your design, because as a designer we have to make sure the color combination is really good, so that whenever your audience will look into your design, they can easily read it and it will grab the attention of your audience also. So this was before. You can compare after applying the beautiful professional color palette, how exactly the design looking right now. Okay, that is the importance of color in your design. And that's how you can create professional looking color combination in Canva like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tips and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss secret number 3 in the next episode. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.